This is how to use YouTube auto-dubbing to get international clients. As soon as you log into your YouTube channel, the first thing you need to do is to enable and activate YouTube auto-dubbing on your YouTube channel. Then you come to your YouTube profile photo here, you tap it, then YouTube Studio. Then you come under Studio, you scroll down, you tap on Settings, you select Channel, you come to this place, then you click Advanced Setting. You then scroll down. Look at this, automatic dubbing. If your YouTube channel is qualified, you see Enable. I can assure you most YouTube channels are qualified already. As soon as you start publishing videos, you'll be qualified and you are going to see Enabled. So all you need to do to activate your YouTube channel for auto dubbing is to tap Enable. You can see automatic dubbing, allow automatic dubbing. If you leave this to be this review dub in all language, you have to review after the automatic dubbing has been done. But if I were you, I'll just disable this. You can leave this to allow automatic dubbing since you are going to review and edit your transcript before you process the auto dubbing. So you won't need to be coming back to each of the video to review the auto dubbing. So it's good you leave it at allow auto dubbing. You just save. You see, as soon as you activate that, you are ready to turn every of your video into multi-language international client acquisition pipeline. So I'll be walking you through how to process each of the video as soon as you publish, step by step. This is a new video I just published. To enable and make sure that auto dubbing is working on this video, you come to this place, you tap language. You can see language. You select language. You scroll down. You can see this place, auto subtitles. You select auto substitute. If you have the manual substitute, you can use this, but I usually do this. Duplicate and edit. You tap duplicate and edit. You confirm. You can see it has generated every of my caption, that is transcript. This is exactly word for words of everything I say in this video. It automatically generated it. What you need to do next is very important. You tap play and you continue to follow through this transcript. Any mistake, you correct the words. Make sure everything you say here is correct, step by step, until you finish the video. Because this is what the YouTube will transcribe to other languages for these different countries. It is very important. As soon as you are sure your transcript is okay, from beginning to the end, you tap publish. That is done. That is stage 1. You can see, look at this place. This is where you add language. But before you add language, there's one thing you need to do to get everything set up with high quality precision. You come back to details of this video, this place. Don't forget you have your transcript and you've done good work for the transcript. The next thing you need to do is to copy your title and copy all this description. You can see I'm copying my description. I've copied the title. Then you bring it to an AI of your choice. It can be Google, Gemini, or ChatGPT. You can see this is the title and this is the description. Already I have a prompt that I've instructed this AI to translate this title and description to top 5 common languages for my targeted audience of different countries. You just submit. You will see a replica of this prompt on my website if you want to copy it. You see the link below the description of this video to where you can get this prompt for your use. You can see I have Spanish, the title, the description in Spanish, timestamp in Spanish, all and on. I have French, I have German, this is Portuguese, Brazil. You can see Arabic. Why are we doing this? So what we've done so far is to help us to engineer the localized title and description so that when someone is searching using Arabic language as relate to this content, so that this video can show up. It is not okay for you to do the translation using YouTube translator. The AI that we use will engineer a localized title and description that will help each of this content to rank according to each locations. By the time somebody is searching in Arabic, this content can be seen on search engine. So how do you copy already translated title and description that is localized to each targeted languages of different countries? How do you now use them to get a good result? That is the next thing. You come to this place, you click language, you come to this place to add language. Let's look for Spanish. You can see Spanish. We select Spanish. You go to the translation you've done using AI. You copy the title for Spanish. You go to copy description for Spanish. You paste. You can see the title is done and you can see the description is already pasted. All you need to do is to update. You can see it is updated. You make sure you do this for all the languages you are interested in. That is for your targeted audience and the countries. You can see each of my selected languages is already filled up, just like I did for the first one. The only thing that remains for you to do is to treat substitute for each of these languages. For Arabic, for instance, to activate substitute, you scroll down, you can see manual substitute, select add. Because you already have substitute already, you tap auto translate. That is substitute. That is what is going to be shown here. It will auto translate what you've corrected in the first place. So you tap publish. Then you treat for all your selected choice of languages. This is all you need to do. You just wait between 24 to 48 hours and YouTube will have processed the auto dubbing. To check, you tap on each of the languages like Arabic, like this, and by the time you tap play, you find yourself speaking Arabic, just to show you how it works. I published this video yesterday in my other channel. Language, you can see language, for instance Arabic. You can see Arabic, this has changed and I can change back to original audio, but leaving it Arabic. Listen.
العميبت باستخدام بطاقة الائتمان أو الخصم. سأوضح لك تحديدا كيفية شراء عملة USDT.
For instance, this is Dutch. It is processed. Look at it, Dutch, Netherlands.
Zo koop je crypto op Bybit met een creditcard of bankpas. Ik laat je specifiek zien hoe je USDT kunt kopen. Om crypto te kopen met je bankpas.
You can see some of them is still processing because I just published the video not too long. It depends on your ratings, your subscription, and that depends on how fast the auto dubbing will be processed. As people are searching from those locations around the world, they'll be able to search and find your content. They'll be able to listen and interact with your content via YouTube video, and your products and services will be consumed and you'll be contacted. So this is how you use YouTube auto dubbing to get international clients via your videos. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, click the notification bell. You get to see my videos every week as I publish them. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.